Don't make your table of content too simple like that. Instead of check this. Watch till end to master this style. First, insert this shape. Then move the yellow point. Now go to shape format and rotate it. Then copy and paste the shape by pressing Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V. Again, rotate the another shape. Then select all the shapes and copy-paste by pressing Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V. And arrange like this. Now, add a text box and write one. Then set the font style as you want. Then set the text size 100. And arrange the shapes like this. Now repeat the process for 2, 3, and 4. Now group the shape and the number as shown in video. Select all the things. Go to Animation tab and choose Fly in Animation. Now select upper 2 shapes and choose from top. Then go to Animation pane, select all and choose Start after previous. Then you are done. Subscribe for more like this and comment for learning bouncing effect.